Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring 3 important pronouns: nobody, somebody, and everybody.
These words help you talk about people in general. Understanding them makes your English more natural.
They're used constantly in everyday conversation. By the end of this episode, you'll use all 3 confidently.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these words do.
They're all indefinite pronouns.
They refer to people, but not specific people.
Somebody means an unknown person.
Everybody means all people in a group.
Nobody means no person at all.
Let's explore each one.
Pronoun 1, somebody.
Somebody means an unknown or unspecified person.
The key idea is one person, but we don't know who.
Structure: somebody plus singular verb.
Somebody is here. Somebody called you. Somebody knows the answer.
Uses of somebody.
Use 1, when you don't know who the person is.
Somebody knocked on the door. I don't know who.
Somebody left their umbrella. Unknown person.
Use 2, in positive statements and questions.
Somebody will help you. Is somebody there? Pronoun 2, everybody.
Everybody means all people in a group.
The key idea is the entire group.
Structure: everybody plus singular verb, even though it means many people.
Everybody is here. Everybody loves pizza. Everybody knows that.
Uses of everybody.
Use 1, referring to all people in a group.
Everybody passed the test. All the students.
Everybody enjoyed the party. All the guests.
Use 2, making general statements.
Everybody needs love. All people in general.
Everybody makes mistakes. Universal truth.
Pronoun 3, nobody.
Nobody means not a single person.
The key idea is 0 people.
Structure: nobody plus singular verb.
Nobody is home. Nobody called. Nobody knows.
Uses of nobody.
Use 1, saying that 0 people did something.
Nobody answered the phone. 0 people answered.
Nobody came to the meeting. 0 people came.
Use 2, emphasizing absence.
Nobody believes me. Nobody cares. Nobody understands.
The key differences.
Somebody equals one unknown person, positive.
Everybody equals all people in a group, complete.
Nobody equals 0 people, not a single person, negative.
Different quantities.
Let's practice with a conversation. Linda, did you hear that noise? Is somebody in the house?
Let me check. Hello? Is anybody there?
Any response?
No, nobody answered, but somebody definitely made a noise.
Should we check every room?
Yes, everybody in the neighborhood has been talking about break-ins.
Oh no, let's be careful. Does everybody have their phone?
Wait, I found something. Somebody left a window open.
Was it the wind?
Yes, nobody broke in. It was just the wind blowing things around.
That's a relief. I was scared there for a moment. Nobody wants a burglar.
Agreed. Everybody can relax now.
Did you notice all 3 pronouns?
Is somebody in the house? Unknown person.
Is anybody there? Same meaning, unknown person.
Nobody answered. 0 people.
Somebody definitely made a noise. One unknown person.
Everybody in the neighborhood. All people.
Does everybody have their phone? All people in our group.
Somebody left a window open. Unknown person.
Nobody broke in. 0 people.
Nobody wants a burglar. 0 people want that.
Everybody can relax. All people.
All three used naturally.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1, using plural verbs.
Wrong. Everybody are here. Correct. Everybody is here.
These pronouns take singular verbs.
Mistake 2. Double negatives with nobody.
Wrong. Nobody doesn't like ice cream. Correct. Nobody likes ice cream.
Nobody is already negative. Don't add another negative.
Mistake 3, confusing somebody with anybody.
Somebody equals positive statements. Anybody equals questions and negatives.
Somebody is here, positive, versus is anybody here, question.
Positive versus question or negative.
Everybody versus everyone.
These are exactly the same.
Everybody is ready equals everyone is ready.
Everybody knows equals everyone knows.
Completely interchangeable.
Use whichever sounds better to you.
Nobody versus no one.
Also the same meaning.
Nobody came equals no one came.
Nobody knows equals no one knows.
Two ways to say the same thing.
No one is slightly more formal.
Somebody in different contexts.
Asking for help.
Can somebody help me? Somebody please answer.
Reporting unknown actions.
Somebody ate my lunch. Somebody moved my chair.
Making offers.
Somebody should call him. Somebody needs to fix this. Everybody in different contexts.
Announcements.
Everybody listen. Everybody needs to sign this.
General truths.
Everybody has problems. Everybody needs sleep.
Group activities.
Everybody is coming to the party. Everybody finished early.
Nobody in different contexts.
Expressing disappointment. Nobody came to my party. Nobody remembered my birthday.
Emphasizing lack.
Nobody is perfect. Nobody knows everything.
Complaints.
Nobody listens to me. Nobody helps around here.
Your challenge for this week.
Day 1. Write 10 sentences using somebody.
Day 2. Write 10 sentences using everybody.
Day 3. Write 10 sentences using nobody.
Day 4. Practice the difference between somebody and anybody.
Day 5. Notice these pronouns in movies or shows.
Day 6. Create conversations using all three.
Day 7. Explain the differences to another learner.
By week's end, you'll master these.
Verb agreement.
Very important rule.
All three take singular verbs.
Somebody is, not somebody are.
Everybody has, not everybody have.
Nobody knows, not nobody know.
Even though everybody means many people, it's grammatically singular.
Pronoun reference.
What pronoun to use afterward?
Traditionally, somebody left his or her book.
Modern English, somebody left their book. More natural.
There is now acceptable for singular somebody, everybody, and nobody.
Emphasis and stress.
Adding emphasis.
Somebody has to do something. Absolutely everybody agreed.
Nobody even tried. Not everybody can come.
Stress changes the feeling.
Negative forms.
How to make negatives.
Somebody in negative, there isn't anybody, or there's nobody.
Everybody in negative. Not everybody came. Some didn't.
Nobody is already negative. No, not needed.
In questions.
Common question patterns.
Is somebody there? Did somebody call?
Is everybody ready? Has everybody finished?
Why is nobody helping? Is nobody home? Somebody versus someone.
Same meaning.
Somebody, more casual, American.
Someone, slightly more formal, British.
Both correct, interchangeable.
Somebody called, equals someone called.
Fixed expressions.
Common sayings.
Everybody's doing it. Nobody's perfect.
Somebody's got to do it. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen.
Everybody loves a winner. Nobody likes a quitter.
Natural phrases.
With else.
Adding additional people.
Somebody else took it. A different person.
Everybody else left. All the other people.
Nobody else knows. No other person.
Else means other or additional.
Contractions.
In spoken English,
Somebody's here. Somebody is.
everybody's ready. Everybody is.
Nobody's home. Nobody is.
Very common in speech.
Real life examples.
At school,
Somebody forgot their homework. Everybody passed. Nobody failed.
at work,
Somebody needs to answer the phone. Everybody must attend. Nobody is available.
at home,
Somebody ate all the cookies. Everybody clean your room. Nobody wants to cook. In conditional sentences.
if-when patterns.
If somebody calls, take a message. When everybody arrives, we'll start. If nobody objects, we'll proceed.
Conditions.
Comparing all three.
Same situation, different pronouns.
Somebody knows the answer. At least one person.
Everybody knows the answer. All people.
Nobody knows the answer. 0 people.
See the differences?
Formality levels.
All work in casual and formal.
Casual. Somebody took my pen. Formal. Somebody has accessed the files.
Casual, everybody's invited. Formal, everybody must comply with regulations.
Casual. Nobody showed up. Formal. Nobody has claimed responsibility.
In reported speech,
Direct. Somebody called. Reported. She said somebody called.
direct, everybody left. Reported, he said everybody had left.
Tenses can shift.
Common errors review.
Let's review critical mistakes.
Never, everybody are. Always, everybody is. Singular verb.
Never, nobody don't like it. Always, nobody likes it. No double negative.
Never, somebody. Always, somebody. One word.
Never, anybody called, positive. Always, somebody called.
These are crucial.
More detailed examples.
Let's see more real-life usage.
In conversations.
Did somebody leave the lights on? Yes, somebody forgot to turn them off.
Is everybody coming to dinner? No, not everybody can make it.
Why is nobody answering? Because nobody is in the office right now.
At events.
Somebody needs to organize the schedule. Everybody should bring a dish. Nobody wants to volunteer.
Making plans.
Somebody has to drive. Everybody needs to be there by 7. Nobody can be late.
Different contexts.
Understanding scope.
What group they refer to.
Context determines the group.
Everybody is here in a meeting equals everyone in that meeting.
Everybody is here at a party equals everyone invited to the party.
Not literally every person in the world.
The context makes it clear.
Expressing frustration.
Common in complaints.
Somebody always leaves dishes in the sink.
Nobody ever helps with cleaning.
Everybody expects me to do everything.
Emotional expressions.
Polite requests.
Asking for help.
Could somebody please open the door?
Would somebody mind helping me?
Can somebody answer the phone?
Soft, polite requests.
Giving instructions.
Group directions.
Everybody sit down, please.
Everybody needs to fill out this form.
Nobody should leave until I say so.
Clear instructions.
Answering with these pronouns.
Common responses.
Question, who's there? Answer, nobody or somebody.
Question, who's ready? Answer, everybody.
Question, who knows? Answer, nobody or somebody does.
Natural answers.
Adding intensity.
Making statements stronger.
Absolutely nobody. Almost everybody. Literally somebody.
Intensifiers add emphasis.
In warnings.
Cautioning people.
Nobody should touch that. Everybody stay back. If somebody gets hurt.
Warnings and safety.
With time expressions.
Adding time context.
Somebody called earlier. Everybody left already. Nobody has arrived yet.
Time adds detail.
Making generalizations.
Universal statements.
Everybody wants to be happy. Nobody likes to fail. Somebody always complains.
Universal truths.
In suggestions.
Proposing ideas.
Maybe somebody should check. Perhaps everybody could contribute. Why doesn't somebody call them?
Gentle suggestions.
Expressing surprise.
Unexpected situations.
Somebody actually did it. Everybody showed up. Nobody expected this.
Surprise and amazement.
With modal verbs.
Adding modals.
Somebody must know. Everybody should try. Nobody can do that. Somebody might call. Everybody will understand. Nobody would believe it.
Modals add meaning.
In storytelling.
Narrative use.
Somebody once told me, everybody was shocked when nobody could believe that.
Story beginnings.
Regional variations.
Different preferences.
American English, somebody, everybody, nobody, more common.
British English, someone, everyone, no one, also common.
Both are correct everywhere, just slight regional preferences.
Contradicting statements.
Disagreeing.
Not everybody agrees. Somebody disagrees. Nobody said that.
Challenging claims.
Quick review.
Somebody equals one unknown person.
Somebody is here. Somebody called. Somebody knows.
Everybody equals all people in a group.
Everybody is ready. Everybody loves. Everybody knows.
Nobody equals 0 people, not a single person.
Nobody came. Nobody knows. Nobody cares.
All 3 take singular verbs.
Somebody is positive. Anybody is questions or negatives.
Everybody equals everyone, same meaning.
Nobody equals no one, same meaning.
Somebody equals someone, same meaning. Modern English uses there with all 3.
Nobody is already negative, so no double negatives.
All are written as one word.
You now understand all 3 completely.
These pronouns make your English more natural.
Practice using them in daily conversations.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. Blank can learn English. Use everybody.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.